What's up, Thomas Miata here. We are at Formula Drift Seattle, and you are following the hat. We'll see how Wadman does as well. Formula Drift.
Oh, hey! Got the company on the cars.
Hell yeah.
Potentially on that car? I don't even know.
For y'all that don't know, this is Chris. He's a man behind the Gambler and running the track up there. Watch that.
It's a little raining outside.
Yeah, it's a little wet. But check him out, guys. East Coast Drift School for sure.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Hell yeah.
Oh.
Dylan Hughes. I drive the Achilles Radio Permatex BMW E46 powered by 2JZ, and I drive Formula Drift Pro 1.
All right, and you're gonna sign Thomas Miata's hat. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
Check it out. Getting all the pro drivers to sign.
Uh-oh. You smoked. A silver Sharpie doesn't work. I would lie to you and say I'm surprised. These things never work. They never work.
Can you get a signature from me while you get a minute?
Sign my hat? Thank you, dude. Yeah. So I got Adam LZ, Vaughn, and Chelsea on there already. Feel free to sign wherever you want, and then I was gonna film you. Hell yes. Class of 2020. Yeah. So the idea is once I get all the signatures, I'm gonna give it away too. So it'll go out to the fans. Marion had some issues today with the motor, so not gonna be able to get back out there. But love the car, love the team, love you guys. Love Drift HQ, obviously. Eating spark plugs is not the way to do it. No bueno. So good.
Probably the worst of them.
Damn. Yeah, Cricket and Chris, all the fam.
And me.
Oh my goodness, hi sweetie. Hi sweetness, hi sweetness. She's just all about you.
Oh yeah, she loves daddy.
I'm sorry, Cricket. Yeah, anywhere. I'm gonna get everybody.
Still back here on the trunk.
Yeah, hell yeah. You like that? My aunt has a sewing machine that can embroider, and I went on Facebook. I found somebody that could digitize my logo, and then I made that myself.
Yeah, that's dope, man.
I made a couple of them.
That's really cool.
Thank you.
God gave me some ideas.
Dude, right. Embroidery is where it's at, dude. It looks so good. Thank you. Hey, check him out, guys. Make sure you follow all his stuff. Obviously, Mustangs are sweet.
It's a wide body Super Snake car, Shelby American kid. Yeah, Jonathan Nairn Racing.
Hell yeah.
On the gram and everywhere else.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, I get it correct. Jose, I get one right. Hey guys, little status check-in. It's Saturday, round 3 at Formula Drift Seattle. And I've got a couple more signatures on the hat. Check it out. Yeah, bud. When I was talking to you yesterday about that.
I know, I saw you, but you're like, I'll be back.
Yeah, today's the day. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
This is super cool, man. I'm a driver than the show.
Yeah, you know, I try to do it all.
Hey, just letting you know, Dari's already grew it up.
Is he?
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
We are headed out on grid.
You got anything you want to promote real quick?
Garagistic, Imagine Garage. Hey, thank you guys for supporting us to get out here. We made it here, and we're running. Who are we running? JTB.
Hell yeah.
So Falcon driver, Falcon versus Achilles. Here we go.
All right.
Who's better in the rain?
Send it.
Yes, I love it. Trailing arms for the win.
Sorry. 1, 2, 3. 1.
Oh, that's so pretty.
I mean, it's not really a secret. I mean, if you don't know it.
All right.
So you came for like a half-day show.
Bro, it's how it goes.
No.
Appreciate
Thank
it.
you, man.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Some lucky fan's gonna get this.
Hell yeah, dude. Hopefully he enjoys it.
Thank you.
Spall. He said some lucky fan's gonna get it. I said I hope it's a Spall.
Oh, it's small.
Okay. Nope, still not.
I thought you said a small.
It would suck if a Mishimoto gets it, you know what I'm saying?
Sarge, for performance RCR, it is Chelsea Genova.
Yeah, Chelsea.
Taylor Hall. Matt Field.
Yeah, Matfield.
Arguably one of the best looking cars in FD. Makes the noise for LZ.
Hit it, LZ.
Former champion. Pilot is FCC Euro. Achilles tire, liquid molly, BMW. It is Michael Essa. Hammer is Brian Turk. Frederick, the Norwegian Hammer Osmo. FD rookie, Waru Wakayama. Former champ, Slide 4, Daichiro Yoshihara. Car, hopefully get it together. Yep, that's it. He's down there. Finally, that up the rod. Stream from S15. It is Kazuya Taguchi. Make some noise for Dylan, the Dozer Hughes.
Go Hughes.
Mustang, it is JTB, Justin Pollock. From the Falcon Tire driver, field suspension, Cody Foxy. Former group champion, piloting the Tom Center String, Nexus Tire, 370C. It is Chris, the Force Porter. Keep the rain away, and let's get ready to send it.
Sponsored by an energy drink company. Vaughn Gittin takes the win. Congratulations, Vaughn. Well deserved. Good battle, dude. I almost forgot the whole point of this video was to get the Thomas Miata hat signed. I want to take the time to give a huge shout out to all the guys that signed this round and last, and I'll be making my way around at the next round and the last round to get more signatures with the goal of getting them all. Once I've gotten through the entire season, I'm going to give the hat away for free. It'll be very simple, but if you guys have any ideas on what I could do to give the hat away, let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Catch you on the next one.